What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about the best projects being built on the Binance Smart Chain for 2022. These protocols you might have already heard about, but we're going to take a deep dive into what exactly these protocols are and how they're changing the entire DeFi space and why they are our favorites coming into 2022. Now remember folks, I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe to this channel. That way as I release another awesome research video just like this, you'll get notified. The rise of DeFi brought about increased demand for efficient blockchains. This is due to Ethereum blockchain's inefficiency and scalability limitations. Since 2017, the Ethereum network has repeatedly experienced network congestion, high gas fees, and similar issues. As a result, users, developers, and platform operators began looking for alternatives such as Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a dual chain architecture that enables users to create their own digital assets and decentralized apps on a single blockchain. The platform also allows users to take advantage of the growing trade by exchanging coins from one blockchain to another. Since its launch, BSC has seen significant growth in activity and volumes. The chain enjoys the backing of the largest crypto exchange, Binance, and has taken the crypto world by storm thanks to its perfect market fit. Ethereum's clone with low fees and fast transactions. Since Binance Smart Chain is faster and cheaper than Ethereum, it is used for various development endeavors, including the development of DeFi projects. In this video, we'll be discussing the top ones in the game running on the network. First, we have PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a BSC decentralized exchange that employs permissionless and automated liquidity pools managed by algorithms. Thanks to its algorithm, it is an automated market maker. With the AMM, users can trade digital assets on the platform against a liquidity pool rather than an order book to match with other assets. The liquidity is replenished by funds contributed by other users who earn liquidity provider tokens in exchange for contributing their crypto assets to the pool. PancakeSwap has grown since its launch on September 20th, 2020. Also, its coin, Cake, has seen growth too. PancakeSwap's name was inspired by the growing trend of food-based decentralized finance. SushiSwap and BakerySwap are two previous food-related projects. Next, we have Venus. Venus is a money market and synthetic stablecoin protocol that is only available on Binance Smart Chain. The protocol enables users to earn money from their crypto assets by lending them out. Borrowers also gain access to a liquidity pool where they can borrow crypto. Basically, Venus users can lend, borrow, and mint BEP20 based VAI tokens, the protocol's synthetic stablecoin, pegged at $1. The DeFi protocol provides users with access to a simple crypto asset lending and borrowing platform where they can borrow directly against their collateral. Venus's DeFi ecosystem comes at no additional cost for quick transactions. Additionally, the platform's native token, XVS, is BEP20 based, but they are primarily used for governance in the Venus protocol. Token holders use governance tokens to determine operations on the DeFi platform, such as what will be added, changing parameters, adding new collateral types, and organizing product improvements. Next, we have AutoFarm. AutoFarm is a BSC-based DeFi platform that aims to optimize DEX experiences and interest earnings. Users can use the paid-in capital of the AutoFarm protocol to increase trade efficiency, which leads to increased interest. The protocol is based on the same principles as Yearn Finance. AutoFarm also has a DEX aggregator, which allows users to exchange tokens at the best rates available in the BSC ecosystem. Users can use the DEX aggregator to search through the various exchanges and find those that provide the best deals and trading conditions. Next, Bakery Swap. Bakery Swap is a Binance Smart Chain DeFi protocol that allows users to stake, bake, create, and trade special NFTs. The platform employs the automated market maker model and combines three top blockchain and cryptocurrency industry trends: non-fungible tokens, yield farming, and initial DEX offerings. It is one of the many food-themed projects launched in the DeFi space. Investors can use this platform to tokenize their projects, provide liquidity, and earn token rewards in exchange. Furthermore, Bakery Swap is one of the first projects to use BSC to build an automated market maker decentralized exchange, and it is one of only a few DeFi projects that provide altcoin liquidity pools on the BSC network. Next, we have 1inch Exchange. 1inch Exchange is a decentralized exchange aggregator that allows users to access liquidity from multiple exchanges and optimizes trade strategies with smart contract technology. Users can use the protocol to swap tokens and place limit orders for various tokens. With 1inch Exchange, the user does not place orders against the platform's own order book, but rather against order books from other aggregated decentralized exchange platforms. As a result, it enables holders of crypto assets to sell, buy, and swap tokens across multiple platforms. Users can also access and trade multiple cryptocurrencies through the platform. The network integrates seamlessly with other decentralized exchange platforms such as Mooniswap, Oasis, Uniswap, Kyber Network, and Balancer. Also, because 1inch Exchange supports over 250 cryptocurrencies, users, thanks to its algorithm, can easily swap any type of ERC20 token. Next, we have Linear Finance. Linear Finance is a new platform in the DeFi space that aims to increase inclusivity and ease of access to investment opportunities in order to bring more people into the crypto space. The company provides a low-cost, quick, and transparent synthetic asset exchange platform that allows users to save fees while securing assets at market value. The Linear Finance team combines a wealth of technical experience in the cryptocurrency industry with extensive financial industry knowledge. As a result, the protocol enables users to create and manage a portfolio of different digital currencies. Also, due to the platform's unlimited liquidity, users can use the protocol to create synthetic assets known as liquids with zero slippage. Again, Linear introduced a cross-chain compatible and decentralized protocol that enables the exchange of synthetic assets to be fast, affordable, and secure. Additionally, the platform is powered by Lena, the native token used for various purposes, including staking, payments, governance, liquidity mining, and liquid investing. Next, we have Beefy. Beefy Finance is a yield optimization tool that allows crypto holders to use and optimize yields from liquidity pools by giving them access to various automated investment strategies. Firstly, yield farming is the process of lending or staking crypto assets to be used in smart contract-based governance in liquidity pools in return for rewards. This process generates higher returns for the holder and can be used in conjunction with other investment opportunities. Data analysis and optimization techniques are used to maximize the yield farming project's revenue and performance to increase revenue and performance. Yield optimization therefore refers to the various strategies employed to maximize returns from yield farming, under which Beefy Finance falls. Next, we have Belt Finance. Belt Finance is an automated market maker protocol built on the Binance Smart Chain with multi-strategy yield optimization capabilities. For maximum returns, investors use the protocol to access low fees and aggregation through lending, vault compounding, and yield generation. Belt Finance enables users to instantly and directly swap between stable assets while also earning Belt tokens by yield farming with an optimization strategy. All of these processes are carried out using BSC smart contracts with no centralized processing. Next, we have Pancake Bunny. Pancake Bunny is a yield aggregator and optimizer for the Binance Smart Chain, which is used for Pancake Swap and Venus. It is a protocol that allows farmers to reap the benefits of auto compounding. In terms of total value locked, Pancake Bunny is one of the largest yield aggregators across BSC and even ETH. Pancake Bunny farmers obtain permission from private individuals for automatic yield summation and reinvestment on their behalf via mono contracts. Users can farm on their own, but determining the best frequency and time to increase and reinvest profitability is quite complex. Therefore, users of Pancake Bunny can delegate this process. The actual farming, however, takes place on PancakeSwap and Venus. The platform's primary goal is to support the DeFi ecosystem by providing users with an easy way to automatically increase their profitability on Binance Smart Chain. Next, we have Lend DeFi Finance. Lend DeFi Finance is a DeFi project that aims to simplify the process for individuals to obtain funding. The development team moved the project from Ethereum to the Binance Smart Chain to avoid impeding its adoption. Lend DeFi Finance makes it possible to obtain uncollateralized loans on Binance Smart Chain. As a uniquely designed product, the project leverages top DeFi lending pools and opens doors to uncollateralized loans. The BEP20 LDFI is the Binance Smart Chain token of the Lend DeFi protocol, which has a variety of applications. It serves as a governance token and regulates the interest rate model. It is also used for reward distribution. Next, we have Swipe. Swipe is a company that provides cryptocurrency related services such as cryptocurrency debit cards, a multi-currency wallet, custom cryptocurrency debit card issuance, cryptocurrency savings, cryptocurrency borrowing, and cryptocurrency payment solutions for merchants. While it is still relatively new in the crypto space, the multi-asset cryptocurrency ecosystem has seen unrivaled growth. Within the first few months of its launch, the company secured partnerships with the leading players in the digital currency industry, such as Binance and Coinbase. Swipe is currently used by Binance to power its credit cryptocurrency card payment. Swipe's native cryptocurrency, the SXP token, has also seen a surge in value, notably after the company announced plans to enter the DeFi industry with the launch of a suite of protocols and applications powered by the SXP token. Binance Smart Chain's capabilities have grown over time. It is less expensive and faster, and it enables developers to build performant solutions on top of it. Given the increasing demand in the DeFi space, BSC appears to be the best option. However, this may change as Ethereum's addressing scaling issues and launches Ethereum 2.0 and ETH staking. Well, thank you so much for watching, folks. Now, I know there are so many great projects right now being built on the Binance Smart Chain. So if there are any projects that I did leave out, I really encourage you to drop a comment below and share your thoughts on some other really hot projects coming into 22 that are being built on the Binance Smart Chain. And as always, folks, if you found this video resourceful, please smash that like button, as it really does help support this channel, and of course it does mean the world to me. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.